Did you know that you can char a lime until the peel turns completely black, then cut it in half, squeeze the juice onto a spoon, and add a pinch of salt to make a simple homemade syrup that can support your immune system and bring relief when your throat feels scratchy or your sinuses are clogged? A natural stimulant for the intestines and liver. I use it when I have a bloated stomach and when I need to improve my metabolism. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach not only strengthens the body, but also helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and body weight. It also reduces the risk of heart disease. Cut 2 to 3 lemons into thin slices and put them in a glass jar or other glass vessel. Lemon is primarily a source of vitamin C and protects the body against the harmful effects of free radicals. Then chop 3 cloves of garlic and add to the chopped lemon. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Pour honey over lemons and garlic. About 5 large spoons should be enough to cover half of the lemons. Honey prevents cardiovascular diseases. Fill the remaining half of the dish with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an ingredient recommended by dietitians and doctors due to its anti-atherosclerosis properties, reducing cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. Mix gently, cover and set aside for about 12 hours. After this time, the mixture is ready. Take 1 tablespoon twice a day, one in the morning on an empty stomach, the other in the evening before bed. You will quickly notice a significant improvement in your well-being. The feeling of bloating will disappear, your blood test results will improve, and you will also lose unnecessary kilograms. This mixture will also affect the quality of your skin and complexion. A home remedy for cough? This old recipe really works. Add sliced onion, garlic, ginger slices, and a spoonful of cinnamon to a pot. Simmer for a bit to let the ingredients release their power. Once it cools down, stir in a teaspoon of honey. Drink this mixture twice a day. It brings relief fast. Will you give it a try? Banana peels with cloves are one of the best things you're about to discover. You only need 2 bananas. Peel them starting from the bottom, then remove the inside. Cut the banana peels into small pieces. They're rich in potassium and antioxidants. Transfer them to a bowl and add 2 cinnamon sticks. Not many people know this, but cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. Add bay leaves as well, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Toss in a handful of cloves too, since they have antiseptic and pain-relieving benefits. Put everything into a pot and pour in just under 1 quart of water. Boil it for a few minutes to release all the beneficial ingredients. Then strain the drink through a sieve to remove the spices and peel pieces. Finally, pour the elixir into a glass and enjoy its flavor and health benefits. It's a perfect way to relax and give your body a boost.